What to expect in the workday while freelancing? Man, that's a loaded question. Anything and everything is possible because you're not doing the same thing on every job. Each person you work with has their own vision, which is how I went from this situation to this situation. I mean, the only way I could explain this is if I take you with me, so, let's go. So we are pulling up to the first event. Definitely gonna have to switch out my lenses. Gonna use one of the oldest kit lens. It is a zoom lens, but you sacrificing quality. So, sometimes it's like give and take. Definitely gonna be good for what we're about to do. So, yeah. Y'all stick around till the end. We got some more later in the video. And let me pull focus on Ben.
What happened?
Finally, they over here. We not bored. He got the camera on. Now we focus like Ford. And we gonna be here until we snore.
And this is the future Money / future producer. Stick around to the end of the video and you'll be back to the future. Yeah. All right. Oh, but seriously, stay till the end. Got some R&R after the freelance work. Yeah. Carry on. So our first gig is a photography job for a local boys team. Photography usually isn't my target, but since videography is, I decided to catch some footage of the game.
You keep going to the right. They know where you're going.
So my bro Keno's son is on the team. He was having a good game, so I figured it would be a great time to catch some highlights for a reel. So this went pretty well. Pictures didn't take long at all. The only thing that could have went better was if we could have taken advantage of golden hour. The sun was perfect for light, but I had to catch everyone at the exit where the lighting wasn't too great. But now we're pulling off and headed to the next job, and this one just hasn't been rated. I mean, it's due to the nature of the event, but anyway, you'll see. Just bear with me. That's good? Okay. Ice be making it oh, how y'all doing? What's up? Y'all ain't getting down?
Oh, we about to get down.
I don't like straws, but I like to drink to
Speaking of straws, look the banana.
Goddamn. Shit.
I ain't hear nothing you said.
What's
up?
What?
We got this strap. A gut strap. We all got a gut strap.
Have fun with that.
We gonna put it on
What is
and
that?
give it for you and your audience.
No, man. I don't even know.
We're gonna
That sounds like a bad idea.
No, it's not. It go around here.
And do you put some Vicks vapor rub and you hit it with your massage or whatever that vibrate?
He's going too hard. We gotta break it down. My channel.
I'm listening.
So it's
Blunt this strap.
Wait, you said
Got the gut strap?
I have no idea what that is.
we're gonna have to demonstrate in the house.
Who y'all demonstrating on?
no, you. Me.
Hell no, not me.
That's the gut strap.
This is the gutty strap. Watch. All right, so look. You see the holes? That's where my ears go. Watch. Hold on.
Keep it family friendly.
Family friendly. All right, so you know how you got the extra neck?
It sounds like they make that in China.
We do make it in China. So you rub some Vicks, put it underneath your neck, and you take a massager, whatever you got that vibrate, and put it underneath your neck. You break up
What
the
if you
fat
put your
cells.
phone on vibrate?
Yeah, like you can put all that.
I'm trying to get to the end result. I'm curious.
But we ain't about to have no extra neck this time.
Oh,
It's gonna be gone.
I'm thinking. I'm waiting.
Cause y'all knew all
But
along it was a
I'm happy it's family friendly.
Period, mommy.
All in there, man. That's Daniel. That's my cousin Candyman.
All right, so if you haven't noticed, this is a bachelorette party, and yes, this is a part of freelancing. Not to mention, this edit took a week to keep everything PG-21 for YouTube. Yeah, so we're on the job right now. Keep calm.
She just told me she ready to go town.
She can't leave.
She don't want to leave, but she want to go outside.
We can go outside, but she can't go home.
Take a shot.
No.
I'm not gonna have the bride. Bring the funnel here. That only make it worse when you drink some water and look at it. In case you didn't know. Fuck that. You know what they did to me? They bring my classmates something like that.
So is he going outside or not?
For like, you can come have it. I just picked it up to the kid. Kate's scared of it.
I used to catch him.
I used to catch the pancake turtle. There was all the summer.
Alright, so we spent the whole day basically grinding, getting it in, you know, doing jobs as they came along. We gotta get some R&R today. Yeah, even though we're doing it with some of the same people we did some of the jobs for, we still gonna have fun, so you know we gotta do that. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hello there.
No even try to. Nobody can
Man, here's what is over here.
Don't you for life. Sexy mind and body. You already got me now. Loving you.
Money, you with them shots. Take it back to the past.
I mean, we have no choice. I'm waiting for 3. Might as well wait another 3.
How old are you? None your business.
Alright, so what they said?
I think it's an hour and a half. We just going
We're
with
gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. We're going with the flow.
Like a tattoo. Y'all know how I am. I'm loud with some water, I'm loud with some wine, I'm loud with some crown. Some of the finest designing. You can give me some Fiji, that Ozark, whatever you want to give me, son, I'm gonna throw it down.
Great value.
The great value in that Super One water? Hey, all of it. I'm the same. Get that Super One water, you even give me that faucet water, I'm gonna still be the same. Get it, body moving, get it. She can do it, get it. Take that curve out. You gonna miss that curve. My excuse me, my ball.
Thank you for making it through the whole video. I appreciate it. If you want to see some other times when we got together and went to Mardi Gras, had some other epic event, check any of these 2 videos out, and I'll see you in the next one.